inches hailing. Wow. How'd they call? Wow. More lightning. There you go. Wow. Woo. They like a good storm too. What you think, Robert? I'm not sure what the size of the hail is, but sounds probably like a dime size maybe. We got a warning from Jim Cantori from the Weather Channel, notified, warning us of the storm. He was right. This comes, well, 4 days from our last storm that dropped 4 inches in 24 hours. So the ground is very saturated and anything is going to cause a lot of flooding around here. We're under a flash flood warning and a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in North Texas right now, due to expire at 1 a.m. and then it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow and tomorrow night, and this on top of already soggy ground. This is very unusual for October in North Texas. We usually never get this much rain. Usually pretty dry. But this is certainly different from what it's been in the past. It seems like it's kind of died down now, at least hail-wise. And I guess the leading edge of the cold front has come through, because already dropping, I'd say, 10 degrees in the last hour, and steadily, and you can feel it's dropping as I'm talking, getting cooler. It was very warm out today. I think it got to like 82 degrees. Hot and muggy all day today, so I knew this cold front would had the potential of producing a storm like this. So, at last I finally get a good storm. Wow, lightning is something. Okay, well, I guess we're going to go ahead and sign off for now. Alright. I'll check back if something else comes around.